Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards. Ano ang mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood nila itong video na ito. Okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa iyo, pwede pong hindi. And this is a timeless reading Pisces. So kung anumang araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, as long as mag-resonate po sa sitwasyon niyo po, take nyo lang. And lahat po ng gender ay welcome po sa ating reading. Babae, lalaki, LGBT man, take nyo lang again. Pag mag-resonate, pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit, okay? So, ano po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Pisces, kung meron po kayo naririnig ng mga background noises, pasensya na po, okay? Meron tayo ditong the Empress. Wow, this is your energy, Pisces, or pwedeng you're dealing with someone of feminine energy. So, this is the Empress energy, strongly feminine, okay? So, pwedeng you're dealing with, okay, so, ang dami naman, pero sige, kunin natin to. Okay, unahin natin to nandito. Ten of Wands, Nine of Wands, Three of Pentacles, King of Swords, and King of Cups. Okay, so there's a feminine energy and there's a two masculine energy Pisces. Okay, so pwede you're dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so nandito lahat ng mga signs. Okay, and Ten of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Hangman. Okay, bottom of the deck, the Devil. Pwede you're dealing with the Capricorn, Pisces, especially, okay. So, meron tayo ditong tatlong masculine energy and meron tayong nag-iisang feminine energy. Wow. Minsan lang ito lumabas na ganitong reading, Pisces. Okay, so pwede you're dealing with tatlong masculine energies, Pisces, or pwedeng ikaw to, isa ka sa mga masculine na nandito, okay? Or again, pwedeng you're dealing with some energies, lalo na kung masculine, okay? There's a earth sign, air sign, and water sign. Ito pala yung air sign, okay? So, the feminine energies right here is the Empress. Okay? So, kung feminine ka man, Pisces, pwede ikaw to. Ikaw yung parang nakikita ka ng mga taong to na sobrang ganda. Okay? I-accept natin yon na maganda tayo, Pisces. Okay? Or nakikita ka ng taong to na, alam mo yun, yung parang in high regards, okay? Na-amaze sila sa'yo. Alam mo man to o hindi, okay? There's something on you na parang iba, okay? So, ayun yung parang, ayun yung naging reason kung bakit parang there's something on you and yun yung, bigla ko naisip yung word na captivating. Wow, okay. So, pwedeng you're dealing with multiple masculine, okay? Hindi man maayos pakinggan, pero yun po yung lumalabas dito. Or you're dealing with someone na feminine na ganun yung nakikita mo sa kanya. Okay? So, sobrang, alam mo yun, yung parang napakababae. Okay? Pero wala po tayong gender specific po. Okay? Babae, lalaki, and LGBT po. So, there's a 10 of Wands and 9 of Wands. Okay. So, sa nararamdaman ko, pihikan, okay, or something na parang meron kang pinagdadaanan, lalo na't meron tayo ditong 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords, okay, nahihirapan and merong tumusok, merong nagbetray, merong, alam mo yun, yung parang, sa nararamdaman ko, pwede you're dealing with someone na the devil, okay, someone na, pwede ito ay past person na, hindi ganun kaganda yung trato niya sa'yo, Pisces, okay? Na ang dami mong napagdaanan sa taong to, okay? And feeling mo nakatali ka sa kanya, okay? Feeling mo parang you're obsessed, okay? Bigla ko na ano yung word na obsessed, na iniisip mo dati na mahal mo tong taong to, pero nung nagkahiwalay kayo or nung nung tumagal na parang hindi mo na 'to nakakasama, parang napapatanong ka, bakit? Anong meron sa taong 'to? Bakit gano'n ako magmahal? Bakit gano'n yung nararamdaman ko sa kanya, okay. So, there's an obsession, there's a manipulation, puwede din, okay. So, dahil sa pagmamahal, puwedeng isa sa kanila 'to, okay. And dahil do'n, Pisces, ang dami mong napagdaanan sa buhay, okay. There's a Ten of Wands and, Ten of Swords. Betrayal, struggles in life, both financially and emotionally, okay? And yun yung naging reason kung bakit nagkaroon tayo ng Nine of Wands card dito. Okay, nakikita nyo mataas yung parang bakod niya. So, because of what happened, Pisces, yun yung naging reason kung bakit nagkaroon ka ng trust issues, okay? Hindi ka ganun kadaling magtiwala. Hindi mo man sinasadya, puwedeng madalas kang magduda, okay? Dahil nawalan ka ng tiwala, lalo na sa kung ano man yung napagdaanan mo dati, okay? And there's a Three of Pentacles right here. So, puwedeng there's marriage na nangyari. Puwedeng asawa mo 'to dati, Pisces, boyfriend, girlfriend, live-in partner, okay? Na, because of that situation, parang nagkaroon ng the hangman energy, okay. Parang stagnant, parang non-moving, okay. Parang parang walang nangyayari after that situation. Pero dito napapasok itong tatlong masculine na nandito. There's a masculine King of Pentacles, King of Money, okay, King of Swords, King of kumbaga personality, mentally, okay, and King of Cups more on emotional. Okay, so there's a different personalities na nandito. And pwedeng bigla kang gandang-ganda ko, gandang-ganda ako sa'yo, Pisces, okay? Kasi sa Three of Pentacles na nandito, sa tatlong pentacle na nandito, pwedeng iisa sila ganito. Ito yung tig-iisa, okay? And you're the only one na mamimili, okay? And make sure, Pisces, kung sino yung pipiliin mo, yun yung mahal mo, and lalong-lalo sa lahat, mahal ka, okay? Mas mahal ka, okay? Para hindi ka na bumalik sa ganitong sitwasyon, Pisces, okay? So, it's either alam mo man to o hindi, okay? So, kilala mo man tong mga taong to o hindi mo pa nakikilala, pero there is tatlong masculine energies na mag-uusap-usap and nakikita kanila in high regards, okay? They are amazed of your beauty, of your personality, of what you are, of who you are mismo, Pisces, okay? So, nakikita nila yung worth mo, and it's up to you. It's up to you kung sino yung pipiliin mo, okay? Hindi ako would never ako nagkaroon ng ganitong reading, okay? Merong isang feminine and merong tatlong masculine, and ito yung parang reading na there's a past person and there's a future people, okay? And it's up to you kung sino yon. Pero as of now, there's the hangman. Hindi ka pa sigurado, Pisces, or hindi mo alam kung sino tong mga to, okay? Pero darating ang araw. It's either magkakasabay silang papasok sa buhay mo, or pwedeng iisa-isa, okay? And iba-iba yung personality nila eh. Iba-iba silang personality, pero it's still up to you. At the end of the day, Pisces, ikaw pa rin yung mamimili, and make sure na mas mahal ka ng taong to. Okay? Para hindi ka na bumalik sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!